Hola, good morning. How are you all? I hope you're well. Right, let's get to it. Quick. Shouldn't be very long today. Okay, so weekend turned out pretty much as we suggested. We got a long from down here, bang, and we got a short from up here too. Bounced a little bit further than we thought, but generally was pretty good. Okay, so where are we and what are we doing now? Well, if we look at this, it just we just study this section here for the moment, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have we? I don't think we have. I think actually what this is that's a 1, 2. Then there's another 1, 2. This is my third. This is my fourth. Now we're building a fifth. Possibly. Otherwise, this is just a straight three-wave pattern somewhat, and then we've got 3 up here. Let's do some kind of more 3 down here and then go up again, and it just becomes a very choppy Monday because there's no news today. Oh, it's saying, what am I saying? Is there news today? Of course, it's bloody news today. We got the old PMI today. PMI later on today. Then we have nothing on Tuesday. Oh, we've got jolts on Tuesday, so be interesting. But basically, we're building to the big employment data, non-farm data at the end of the week. All right. So Friday will be the day where we get our move. Thursday, Friday. Up until then, I imagine we're going to get chop, which is going to be unpleasant. So think about what I said last week. Might want to move your focus away from BTC and into something like the NQ or other, ES, QQQ, whatever you want. But, maybe not work your sweat with this load of BS. So, however, if you are trading this and you want to continue to trade it, well done you. Here we go. So I'm probably thinking that do we get a little, maybe we get a little FSP here, then this long here, come up, and then we chop up to here, and that would give us a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5. Yeah, which is what I put in my picture, something like this. And this, I mean, we don't know whether this is an ABC or a WXY yet. But it's obviously it's corrective, right? It kicks off with some kind of 3-wave monster here, and then we got some another 3 waves here. This could turn into 3 waves as well. At the moment, I'm having a look at it and saying, well, actually, I've got a nice high volume here, so maybe I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But who knows? However, I don't think it really matters. Overall direction is to come into here where we're interested in longs. And taking out all this liquidity, these poor lows here, and liquidity sat there. We do have single prints above us, which always attracts price, and so therefore we need to look at this being a possible. So you could have something like this, and then it comes up like this, and then it comes down, and it just keeps the range alive all the time. I don't think we're going to get any confirmation or otherwise on this range for quite a while, people. If I pop up onto the hourly, I really don't see. We could really do with dealing with this high here, as we have said for ages in our main, in our main idea. But this, I don't see this suddenly just collapsing down here. It is possible, but the thing is that I can't. Now that we've kind of now that we've taken out the idea that this is a 1-2-1-2 because this came in too high, it's difficult to see how this suddenly, unless it, I mean, I guess it could do this, right? It could chop all the way down and then it comes up, takes out these two highs, and then it goes down. Okay. So anyway, my point is this is our range for, I don't know for how long, maybe for 2 months, maybe for 2 or 3 months, maybe till October. That's depressing. And that's why I am moving across to the NQ and everything else, which I've been doing for about a couple of months now. It's been very nice. So anyway, listen, that's kind of it from me. I haven't got a lot else to say on Bitcoin. It's really is at the moment a fairly redundant asset in my estimation, until we get more activity, until we start to get more people coming in. I'm really struggling to see how, let's put this down here, how this becomes tradable in the short term. We've had these kind of moments in BTC before, and so we just sit and wait. So there you go. That is my idea for the day. I've put a nice pretty picture in the Discords, and so yeah, that's it. Super simple. As I said, this might not be an ABC. There's lots of things this could do. It really is up or down. This could come this could, as I said, this could come back up here and then come down again and just continue to chop. So all trades are scalps, really. All trades are scalps, really, until otherwise said. Alrighty then. That's me done. Lots of love. Taddy buys.